Sean. Didn't have time for the net. Stop, stop, stop. I got that on a wobble head. Yeah. Well, I'm glad we stuck with checking out the coves. To remeasure. $115. Yeah. I think that other one from over there was following us and got your bait again. Thanks, bud. I got bait. Alright, hold on. What's that?
Can I catch it by that wood?
It's just kind of back in this pocket. He's gonna be 7 ounces, I'm thinking. It held at 8 and then dropped to 6 and held. So let me. I'm gonna Yeah, 8 ounces. All right. Thanks, buddy. I know there's a tree down there. Oh, got one. All right, thank you. Got it. Got the net. All right. Cool. Nice.
That's gotta be a couple pounds.
Yeah, you're right. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Cool. All right, bud. Yep. Saw where that went, right? That little stick right there.
Yeah. Did you get the one?
Wobble.
£1 6 ounces.
1.9. Thanks, buddy. Well, another successful day at Margarita. We are in the first week, just finished the first week of April, and yeah, did all right today. Middle and backs of coves, that was the spot. So it'll be interesting to see what next week holds. If we can get out here. Looks like there might be a storm coming in Friday, Saturday, but means post frontal on Sunday, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, good day today. So anyhow, time to go home and get ready for work. Thanks again for coming along, everyone. And with that, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.